Before we start today's topic, can I ask you something?
Hi, Tom. Sure. What is it?
This place behind us looks beautiful. Do you recognize it?
Yes, it does look beautiful. It reminds me of a famous historical place.
I was thinking the same. It feels calm and peaceful.
Yes, places like this make conversations feel slower.
And more relaxed.
Exactly. It's a good place to talk and listen.
I think calm places help people feel comfortable speaking.
I agree. Environment affects confidence.
That's a perfect way to start today's topic.
Yes. Today, let's talk about something many people feel.
Feeling nervous when speaking English in public. Anna, do you feel nervous when speaking English in public?
Yes, very nervous sometimes.
What kind of situations make you nervous?
Speaking in front of many people or talking to strangers.
Public speaking feels scary.
Yes, even simple sentences feel hard.
I think nervousness comes from attention
Yes, people feel like everyone is watching.
and listening closely.
That pressure is heavy.
Do you think the fear is about English or about people?
I think it's more about people,
That's interesting.
because even in my native language, public speaking can be scary.
That's true. English just adds more pressure.
Yes, mistakes feel bigger in public.
What do you usually feel physically when you're nervous?
My heart beats fast. My voice feels weak.
I feel that too.
Sometimes my mind goes blank.
That happens to many people.
It makes me want to stop talking.
What helps you continue?
Breathing slowly.
Breathing is powerful,
Yes, slow breathing calms the body.
and calm body helps calm English.
Exactly.
Do you prepare before speaking in public?
Yes, I prepare simple sentences.
Not long ones?
No, simple sentences feel safer.
That's very smart.
I also remind myself that people are not perfect listeners.
What do you mean?
People don't remember every mistake.
That's true.
They remember the message.
That's a very important idea.
Public speaking is about connection, not perfection.
I like that.
I also speak more slowly in public.
Slow speech sounds confident.
And it gives time to think.
Do you think confidence comes before speaking?
No, I think confidence comes from speaking.
I agree.
Every time you speak, confidence grows a little,
Even if you feel nervous.
especially if you feel nervous.
What advice would you give to someone watching now?
Start small. Speak in short moments.
Don't wait to feel ready.
Yes, speak, then confidence will follow.
Public speaking is a skill.
And skills grow with practice.
Public English in public doesn't need to be perfect.
It just needs to be honest.
Thank you for sharing this, Anna.
Thank you, Tom.
If you feel nervous speaking English in public, please remember this.
Nervousness is normal. It means you care about communication.
You don't need perfect English to express yourself.
Simple words, slow speech, and calm breathing are enough.
Every time you speak English, even for a short moment, you are improving.
Progress comes from practice, not from waiting to feel confident.
If you want to improve your English step by step,
And learn through calm, natural conversations.
we invite you to stay with us.
Subscribe to this channel, learn English with ease, and listen regularly.
A few minutes a day can make a big difference.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Take your time. Be patient with yourself.
And keep speaking English in your own way.
This is Learn English with Ease. We're happy you're here. See you in the next episode.